So those I don't, I've been helping a lot. When I went back home in the Philippines, there's a lady that she needs a surgery, and I also give some money to her in person. And then back home in my hometown, I also give someone money over there to help the disability brother. I'm not really, a small amount of money. It helped a lot, and you can see their faces is, it's kung baga sa Bisaya pa luningning ang mga mata. It's sparkling their eyes, of happiness, because why someone giving them some money, especially if they are not relatives. And then here you go, give there and give some money to them. For me, it's a blessing to me to give it to them.